Hey there, if you're new to the Sony FX3, here's a tip to get you through and adjust some settings really quickly. And one key button to do that is right here, the function button. The function button is awesome because you can go through so many settings in one place, and especially on the fly. And when you press the function button, within here you can set your audio levels, change between your focus modes, your focus points, your frame rates, your S&Q frame rates, that's for slow and quick motion, your picture profiles, your peaking levels, some stuff with media settings, and of course your steady shot, because the FX3 has good stabilization. You can set your zebra levels and some stuff if you have power zoom lenses, which I don't have one on this camera, so you can't see those settings. But otherwise, this is a powerful place, this function button. You can go in here. We can go our S&Q and decide we want to go to 60 frames. Boom, right there. Let's back out, go into zoom. That's where our S&Q levels are. So yeah, the function button, you can do so much here. Thanks for watching.